In this video, I'm going to show you how to make 600 bucks from 1 to 2 hours of work signing up for the Fanatics Sportsbook app. So this is the sign up bonus that Fanatics is currently offering. Bet $100 and get a $100 bonus bet every day for your first 10 days after you sign up. Now I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make $600 using this sign up promotion. So this is quite simply the 3-step process to make $60 to $80, which will add up to over $600 over the next 10 days. Number one, you want to find and place a low hold bet, which you'll either break even or lose a few bucks on. Number two, you want to wait for the $100 free bet to get added to your Fanatics account. It should happen shortly after you place the bet. Number three, do a free bet conversion to convert the free bet into $60 to $80 cash. Then you simply rinse and repeat this 3 steps for the next 9 days. So I'm going to show you how to find a low hold bet as well as how to do the free bet conversion. So in order to do this, you'll need to use a tool called Oddsjam. And if you use the link on the screen here and the link below this video, you'll be able to get 7 days free as well as 25% off your first month. If you don't see that link there, just use the promo code JOMO, Jomo, and you'll get that deal. So now we're going to go over to Oddsjam and I'm going to show you how to find the low holds and how to do the free bet conversion. So the first thing you want to do when you get into Oddsjam is change your filters to match all the sports books that you have access to. To do this, you go over to the top right corner, go to Profile, and then go to Manage Filters right here. You want to press this drop down box, click Select All, and that'll select all the sports books to exclude from Oddsjam. Then press Control F on your keyboard, type in Fanatics, and press X, and then also search for any other sports books that you also have accounts with. So if you have an account with Caesars, you also want to search for Caesars. Press X there on that one, and then whenever you're done, press Save Changes, and then the Oddsjam filter will start giving you all the opportunities that match the sports books that you have access to. Once you've done that, you want to go over to More Tools and Low Hold, and this is what the low hold page looks like. You want to type Fanatics into this box right here and press Refresh. Now this is going to pull up a bunch of opportunities. You want to choose one that's 0% or close to 0%, as close to the top of the screen as possible. And then all you have to do is go to this calculator right here and type in for Fanatics $100, and it'll tell you what you need to put on the other side in order to make it a break-even bet. So you'd put $100 on Fanatics, on Golden State Warriors plus 5.5, and you'd put $55 on Atlanta Hawks minus 5.5 on BetMGM. This will ensure that you profit $0 from this play, and then you get the bonus bet, which you can then convert into cash. The second step is to come over to the promo converter. This is what it looks like for the promo converter. You want to also put Fanatics in this box right here. Make sure that the promo type is free bet and the bet amount is $100. Then press Refresh, and you'll see a bunch of opportunities. As you can see here, this is an opportunity to turn the 100 into $82, $75, $74, $73, $71, $70. So let's say I wanted to do this opportunity right here, Mississippi State versus Alabama. I would put the $100 free bet on Alabama minus 18.5, and then I'd put $330 on Mississippi State plus 18.5 on FanDuel. Then I'm guaranteed to make $71. So whatever happens in that game, I'm going to turn that $100 bet into $71. So here's the process one more time. After you sign up for Oddsjam, find a low hold bet, get your $100 free bet, turn that free bet into $60 to $80 cash using the free bet conversion process, and then do that for the next 9 days. And after that, you'll have made over $600 using this strategy. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And if you want ongoing support over the next 10 days as you go through this process, join my free Skool group. The link is below this video. You'll be able to get ongoing support from me and others who are going through these sign up bonuses, profiting from them, and it's a really supportive group. Check it out if you're not already in there. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.